Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for clicking this video. I am on the Carnival Liberty, so I'm going to be sharing some of the slot machines that I play. While I'm here right now, I'm going to try dancing drums. These are the progressives. It's maxed out grand at $10,000. And I'm going to see what we can do here. This is normally not one that I play, but try something a little different. See if we can get the pot to drop a little bit, or see if we can get a bonus. You need 3 of the drums to get the bonus, and then there's there's another symbol that gets coins into the pot. It'll make it close randomly. Oh, this thing. And I think it just randomly closes the pot. So, let's see if we can get anything. And I do believe whatever the bonus, the symbol is with the drums, and then whatever is wild can go for the bonus as well. Whatever the wild symbol is. But so far, we're not having any luck. Come on. We need 3 of the drums. I played this a few times. I don't think I think I got the bonus one time. This is definitely not like a game that I'm like, oh, I want to play, but I thought I would try it. See if we could get the bonus. But not looking too promising. Come on, close the little pot. Nothing. Last spin. I've moved on to Wonder 4 Boost Gold. I'm not sure what the Boost Gold is, but we'll see. I'm gonna try a few spins of this. I got some Buffalo, and then I'm trying the Timberwolf. These are all gold ones. So, see if we can get a bonus. Yet. Oh, we only needed 1 more Buffalo right here. I think with the Timberwolf, you need to get 3 owls to get the bonus. But we'll see. Got some Buffalo up top. Come on. Nothing. Wow, I didn't get nothing for the Bears. Got a couple Buffalo. Come on. Look at all these Buffalo. Am I not playing this one? I don't know what's going on. That's Buffalo right there. I'll be back. Okay, so it turns out I was only playing 1 to 3 games and not 1 to 4 games. But I did just get a bonus, and I won 8 free games on this one up here. I got 3 of these lightning bolt things where you get free games. So, that's okay. Let's get something good here. So I need 2 more buffalo heads to turn the eagles into buffalo. Come on, let's get some re-triggers. Okay, all the eagles are churning. That's a good thing, but we need a re-trigger or some line hits. I guess if you get a lightning bolt, you get a chance to get some more games or something. But I am literally not getting anything. And this is the last spin. This is horrible. Wow. That was insanely disrespectful. Oh, look, I got it again as soon as I turned off the camera. Maybe the second time around will be better than what that first mess was, where I literally won $1.30. Let's see if we can get something. Come on. Times 3. What's times 3? Oh, I got the eagles. Okay. Come on. We need some buffalo. Come on, don't be a waste. Buffaloes and re-triggers, please. Wow. This is crazy. Last spin. Nothing. They should be ashamed of themselves. Come on. Got a couple wilds down here, $3. We need another bonus. Or a Timberwolf bonus or something. Nope. Come on. Alright, I'll be back if we get something. So I got another bonus game, this super free games, because I had the owl and like the lightning thing and it went up there. So I got super free games and I get 12 for Timberwolf. So let's see what Timberwolf will do. Oh, you get 4 of these. Okay. And I guess if you get a lightning, it'll still go up, so you still have a chance to get the boost. But let's see if we can get something. We got 12 free spins here. Come on, let's keep getting some lightning bolts. Oh, I got a respin. It's a lot going on. There's a lot of different things going on the screen here.
All right, very, very good. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So I have the great time right here in the season's prize.
Okay.
We have our Texas Hold'em table on right level 20.
I want that to go off. Come on. Let's go. We need some wilds. Okay, we got some wolves. Come on. I want to know how many it's going to take to make that thing go off. I keep getting it. And I ain't getting it yet. Number 8. Oh, we got another spin up there. Like a re-trigger spin. Come on, that thing should have went off by now. Oh, that's times 5, but it really wasn't much going on, just some 9s. We only got 2 spins left. Come on. Give us something good. Oh, you can collect the gold wolves like you do on the buffalo. Oh, this is the last spin. Darn, I thought that extreme one was gonna go off. Nope. I thought it was about to do something. Alright, try again. Alright, we got another one. This is just on the Buffalo Gold, so we get 8 free spins. At least we getting a little bit of a bonus, but we not getting no good ones. Come on, let's get some re-triggers, some extra bonuses, some extra free games, something. We need some Buffalo. Let's go. Okay, couple Buffalo. We got 4 more games. Come on, let's re-trigger. Nope, last one, nothing. Why not nothing? A little bit. I want that big one to go off, the extreme. Come on. Some little wins. Get it. Got some wolves. Oh, so the moon is wild. I was trying to figure out what was wild on that one. Alright, guess I'll be back if we get something good. I got a bonus round. Let's see if we can get something. I need that grand for 10,000. Come on. There we go. Let's keep it up. Let's fill it up. Come on. Uh-oh. Last spin unless we get something. Drop it. There we go. Come on. We need a minor or a mini. Something with some words to it. Let's go. Look, I saw the minor go by. Come on. There we go. Yes. Come on. Got 11 balls collected. Up, I saw the mini go by. Uh-oh, we need 2 more. Come on, stop playing. Give me that grand so I can holler in this casino real quick. Alright, last spin. Drop something. Nope. Alright. We'll take it. Let's see what we can get. $40.